All right, right. Welcome, everyone. I am super excited to be with you guys today on this call. I just want to make sure that you can be able to hear me. I just want to make sure that you can be able to hear me. Let me just confirm on my end if you are able to hear me and also see my screen. I just want to know if you can be able to hear me and see my screen. If you can be able to hear me and see my screen, as I also confirm and check on my end, just drop a one, one. If you can be able to hear me and also hear my screen, let me just confirm on my end. I think on my end, it is clear. My end, it is clear. Right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone. Can be able to see one. Amazing. Super pumped up for today, guys. And I'm going to be starting right away. So we had an amazing physical event. Physical event. And a lot of people have been reaching out to me and asking, how about the people who are online? We've been able to hear that you've dropped some amazing stuff. How about the people who are online? And today is Sunday. We are launching for the online community. People who, let me know actually on the comments, where are you tuning in from? Let me know where you're tuning in from on the comment section. Let me know where you are tuning in from on the comment section, because I know we have people who are not able to like physically come to the event, but they are from different locations. Let me know where you're tuning in from the comment section. I can be able to see Peter Kihara from Nyeri, Nicholas from Alan. I can be able to see David from Gaborone. We have someone from South Africa coming in. What's the name? Fikile. Welcome. We have Nyeri. Omunyoro. We have Nairobi, Kenya. We have from Pangani, we have Meru, we have Botswana, Fantasy, Monty from Botswana. We have all the way someone from Rwanda, Mohammed Kamisi. We have Daniel, we have Michael, we have Deb from UAE. This is in Dubai, Langata, Mombasa. Welcome. This is such a big call. Super excited to see all of you guys today. And I'm going to be jumping straight into my presentation. I'm going to be jumping straight into what I have today. As you know, make sure you stick around up to the end of the video, because what you're going to be doing today is you're going to be looking at the BMM scanner. The people who were able to attend the live event, physical one, they are able to get access to it. And already some of them are even trading crypto right now. And everybody is just shouting about how crazy it is. For the Forex guys, they can't wait to get it so that they can be able to test it for the Forex market on Monday as the markets open. So as we get started today, for the online guys who have not been able to get access to it, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get access to it. So make sure you stick around up to the end of this video as I educate you on some few stuff that you have. So who are you talking to, or who is going to be working with you on this journey? So my name is Denis Mwabu, Managing Director at Mamuru Kenya Limited, Managing Director at Mamuru Ethiopia. I'm the CEO at Crimson Hawk Limited, and pursuing my Masters of Science at the University of Nairobi. And I usually like saying that the reason I'm sharing with you what I'm doing is so that you can really be able to understand. You know, some people always see these Forex guys as people who just want to come here and take the money from their pocket. And I just want to tell you that, you know, I have other things that I'm doing. I have a brand to protect, I have a name to build, and I have a vision. So having all these brands together, I just want to assure you that I actually presenting myself as an authentic, transparent, and someone who you can actually trust in this space. Because we have been in the trenches, we have been conned, we have been scammed, we have gone through. To be honest, I think Forex traders go through a lot of toxic, toxic relationship with people. And that is what we are trying to solve, and that is what we are trying to change. So I like explaining my journey just to help you understand where I came from the people who are actually joining me right now. I was just broken, and I was just a young guy who was actually looking for something that I could actually do to be able to help me run my business, pay my residual. I usually say something that will help you pay your residual bills. My journey did not start as a profitable forex trader. I did not start where I am today here. I started somewhere, and the first place was getting my degree school as a normal society we usually do. After finishing campus, what happened is I never got a job, so I had to go back to take care of cows and goats. And after that, I remember this was the place whereby I made that decision. And I said, you know what? Me seated here on this laptop today, I have decided that in the next 90 days, I have to come with a solution of getting me to where I am. Because if I don't change something today, nothing changes. If I don't change the habits that have put me here today, in the next 90 days, I will still be here, same place, same excuses, and getting same results. And as we go through with you this presentation, I'm very passionate about this because I don't want this to be that online meeting that you just come and actually just watch. I don't want this to be that the normal calls that you jump in and just walk away and you're like, you know what, I've just been in a call. Today I want it to be that defining moment. I want to be that day that you say, you know what, based on these things that Denis Mwabu has shown me, this is the time that I'm making that decision to actually transform and actually change. After making that decision, I've been able to be around different places, different countries, been able to do different things. And if you look at this guy and looking at this guy, absolutely, you can be able to see different changes. You can be able to see change, physique, good looking now, also being able to, you can be able, people say, when people usually say when you get money, people will know even without you talking, right? Being able to drive the dream car that I always wanted, that Toyota Mark X. I love traveling. This was me in Addis, this was me in Masai Mara, this was me with my siblings. I was so excited because I just told them, you know what, choose the most expensive and biggest hotel that you can actually choose, and I'll be able to cater for all the bills. And you know what, I'm not showing you this to actually brag, but I'm showing you this to inspire you. I'm showing you this to show you that if this guy was able to transform his life, and right now he's able to do things that he's doing, it does not matter where you are today. It does not matter if you don't have money. It does not matter if you're getting started. It does not matter if you've quitted yesterday. It does not matter if you just quit last minute ago and you said, let me just jump on this call and see if it will revive me. You can be able to actually do this. So why am I like, why should you even listen to me? Because I'm not that trader who is just talking and influencing. I'm a trader who is in the trenches. I'm a trader who is putting in the work. I'm a trader who is actually doing the job. When I talk about doing the job, I'm talking about trading. Okay, this is few certificates that have been able to be awarded. As you can be able to see, this was a funded next. Denis Mwabu is now a funded trader. Some payouts that I've actually been able to get from prop firms. So for the people who do not understand what prop firms are actually institutions and companies that all they do is they provide you with the capital, and after they have provided you with the capital, what you do is they take you through a thorough and brutal process to actually test your trading capabilities and skills. And when they realize that, you know what, you can be able to trade, you have been able to prove that you understand what they do, they give you the capital to actually manage and trade. And that is what you call proprietary trading, or the prop firm industry. I was able also to show my brother how to do this, and he was able to be funded. Also, I know most of the people usually like, can you show your family members first? And definitely, here we go. So this is my most recent funded account, which was on July 15th. Actually they gave me the certificate on 16th, but this was a very, very, very big win for me because, guys, it was my birthday and it really meant a lot because it was a challenge that I was trading using the systems and tools that I'm going to be sharing with you here, using the AI, using the platform that I'm going to be sharing with you here. And I was able to actually run that challenge when people are looking at exactly what I am doing. I was able to pass this account actually trading with guys even live. And that's the exact system that you want to provide to you. And that's the exact platform that I want to give you, who you're watching and listening to me. So what are some of the three things that we like? What are some of the three things that human beings always want? We want money, a lifestyle, and time. And how are we able to help you achieve this? You know, some people have money, but what they're looking for, they're looking for more time to spend with their loved ones. They're looking for more time to do whatever they like the most. Some people don't have the money. They're looking for the money so that they can do what? Get the lifestyle. Some people have the money and time and they're actually looking for lifestyle. So you're going to be working so hard to help you have these three factors. And what are the three things, or what are some of the things that are going to be helping you achieve? And these are things that I call the vehicles to your success. I mean, you want to introduce to you Tradeex University today, and Tradeex has different brands under it that we are partnering up with so that it can be able to provide us the services, the networks, and the tools that we can be able to equip you as a beginner and experienced trader to help you get into profits as quick as we can. So the first company that I'm going to be explaining to you here is Windsor Broker, and I'm going to be telling you why Windsor Broker. The second brand that you're actually working with is such an amazing and best brand. It's actually known as Akash X, which is a premium platform. And then the third is Dcash. So Dcash is mainly a payment gateway. I always tell people, you want to always know where you're transacting your money. You always want to know who is handling your money and who is handling your capital. And Dcash is one of the organizations that have actually come to realize that it is actually the best, right? I know their offices, I know their founders, I know their I've been able to meet with their team, and I've been able to do my due research, as I'm very keen. Remember what I told you. First things first, you want to understand is who are we working with, right? Credibility and institutions or organizations that are credible is what you're actually looking for. So let me give you an explanation, a little bit of explanation really quick on what is Forex. And I want, guys, if you're an expert, I just want you to give me some time, because I understand today here we have people who do not know anything about Forex, and they've actually come here to actually just learn one or two, three things. If you're an expert, just bear with me. Let me walk them through the basics. You know, sometimes this is the most hard part, but we don't want to leave anyone behind. We want everyone to be on board. So, understanding Forex trading. Trading is the act of buying and selling financial assets to make profits. We have common markets in the Forex space, which is the Forex, crypto, stocks, and commodities. Timing, knowledge, and tools are key to actually succeed in the Forex space. In a layman's language, I usually say, take a look and think of a bureau or a Forex bureau. When you have a dollar, what do you do when you get into your local country? Let's say, for example, for me, I'm actually here in Kenya. If I travel to the United States and come back with a dollar, what I'll be able to do is I'll not be able to go into a supermarket and buy bread with the dollar. What will happen is I'll have to go to a Forex bureau and I'll have to change the dollar to Kenyan shillings. So the transaction that happens there, that is what we call foreign exchange. And as you're doing that transaction, there's a difference that is happening and taking place. So looking at it now in a digital space, this is what I usually say. We have shifted from brick and mortar to click and order. And what do I talk about click and order? We are in a digital economy. These days we use digital currencies. Take a look at the mobile money. Take a look at the banks. Everything is shifting into the digital space. And I want you to take that example that I've been able to explain to you, and I want you to take it now into the digital space, whereby you're buying and selling different currencies in the digital space. And all you just need is your laptop, phone, good internet connection, and a broker to actually connect you into the marketplace. And that is what Forex is. I have a small video here that I want to play for you so that it can be able just to give you an explanation as we jump into the next step. So let me know if the sound is clear.
If you have ever traveled to a foreign country, you may have needed to exchange your money. If so, you have already participated in Forex trading. Forex is the short form of foreign exchange. Well, Forex is a bit more than that. For example, companies buy goods from other countries. In order to buy them, they need to obtain the local currency first, just like us when going on holiday. The difference is they will exchange huge amounts. When these companies exchange these huge amounts, they will actually move the price because the demand for the currency that they need increases. When the demand increases, the price increases. With all this exchanging going on around the world, the exchange rates constantly move. This is how it works. When currencies are exchanged, they have a certain price, the exchange rate. As in any market, the price of a currency is determined by the law of supply and demand. If there are many people or companies that want to change euros into dollars, the price of the dollar will rise against the euro, and so the exchange rate will change. Let's use an everyday example to explain how you can actually profit from this. Say you live in Europe and went on holiday to the United States. Let's say that you changed your 500 euros into US dollars at the rate of $1.4 for every euro. You got 700 US dollars, but you do not spend any money at all. So you still have $700 after you come back. After the exchange rate moved from 1.4 to 1.3, instead of getting just 500 euros back, you actually get 538.5 euros. You have gained 38.5 euros simply from holding your money in dollars while the exchange rate changed. This is essentially how we trade in the Forex market. We buy a certain amount of a currency, hold on to it whilst the exchange rate moves, then change it back, making money along the way. How to decide when the right time to buy and sell is exactly what we teach you throughout the rest of our learning lessons. As you can imagine, traveling a lot and saving a bit of money on your holiday budget and then exchanging it, it's not really a practical approach to trading currencies. Fortunately, there is an easier way to do this. You can trade currency through online exchange offices called brokers. What this means is that you can exchange currencies online throughout the day and take advantage of the constantly fluctuating exchange rates. Just as in the example of when you went on holiday, you can buy different currencies and make a profit as the exchange rates change. This is trading the Forex market. Trading Forex online with a broker has many benefits. You can trade Forex from your home or anywhere that you have an internet connection. The Forex market never sleeps. It is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and so can suit your daily routine. You do not need a huge budget to get started. As little as $150 is enough to begin trading and building your account over time. Of course, it will require some learning until you get there, but this is exactly what Tradeemo is here for. To help you learn how to trade in a way that can suit your individual lifestyle, and to help you navigate your way through the Forex market.
Right. Amazing, amazing. So I can be able to see someone here saying that, is this a beginner one-on-one course? Please stop wasting our time. And I just want to just enlighten this guy because, I hate working with ignorant people, because I started by saying that we have beginners on this call. We have people who have told me, you know what, I want to come in and try and understand what Forex is. So this presentation was not meant for you only. We have beginners who we need to work with them and explain to them what Forex is. And if you feel we are wasting your time, kindly jump out of this call. This is not meant for you, absolutely 100%. You're here to be helped and you already feel entitled. my friend, broke mentality. Let's get moving. So the broker that we'll be using is known as Windsor Broker. So Windsor Broker is the platform that we'll actually be using to actually trade with. So if you're trading with Windsor Broker, I'll just go through this very quickly. It's a world-class trading opportunity. It provides Forex, indices, crypto, commodities, and shares, and also energies. So want also to understand the history of a broker that you're actually working with. This is what I usually call due diligence. You want to look at the security, reliability, insurance, loyalty, and history, whereby Windsor has actually been in the market for a very long time. The tools that Windsor is providing are actually modern and advanced technological tools that will actually help you jump into the financial markets and trade with ease. The amazing system that I love with them is the app that will actually be able to help you trade and actually maneuver into the financial markets. Another groundbreaking feature for Windsor is what we call the copy trading. So with the copy trading, what happens is, what you need to do is, I am an expert, I understand how to trade. And if you, for example, you're a beginner and you actually don't know how to trade, what will happen is you will be able to connect your trading account to mine as an expert, in any single trade that I actually take will be executed into your trading account. So those are some of the features that we have at Windsor Broker, and everything that I am doing is actually, we are doing it in partnership of Windsor, so that we can be able to connect with traders and actually help them grow. So the other tool that we have is the BMM AI Scanner. And what is the BMM AI Scanner? For example, this is XAUUSD gold, which you can be able to see before and after. So what the BMM Scanner means is known as beat the market makers. So beat the market makers, we're looking at how can we really be able to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to be able to actually help us actually beat the market makers, to be able to help us get precise entries, to be able to help us get precise exits. And today, the good thing is we are online, we'll be able to dive in and actually look at the BMM scanner deeply and actually even prepare for next week's market. So what does it do? It will give you the sell entry, all right? It would give you the stop loss, give you the take profit. It will give you take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3, all right? Which is the one that is actually the last take profit. I can be able to see someone in the comment saying from BMM. Someone is saying from BMM to BMW. All right, that's amazing. Yeah, from BMM, we get from BMM, we beat the market makers, and we get a BMW. Super amazing. So that is also, we're going to be looking at this AI scanner. And guess what, guys? Everybody who is in this call today, at the end of the call, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to get access to it 100% for free. I know a lot of people who came to the physical event have actually been able to get access to this absolutely free. They already have it installed in their trading view, and they are just waiting to kill the market tomorrow. The crypto guys have already started doing it, and they are just talking everything positive about it. And I want us to test it with you, because I usually say one thing, guys. You know what? If something is working and you truly believe it's working, how about give people first? Let them experience what they have. If you're to sell it, if they were to buy it, let them experience what they have to buy. Because when they experience what they have to buy, then price now is not even a negotiation, because they've already seen the value. And that's why for this launch, no cost at all, put your credit card aside, put your money away. We are going to be testing it with you absolutely 100% free. After having the BMM, which is the version 1, we also have another platform which we are calling the Akash X Platform. And for the Akash X Platform, guys, I usually say it is for the few who are ready to invest, the few who are ready to work with me on a personal level, This is not something that I'm opening up for everybody. This is people who are really interested in making real figures and serious money. So this is not for everyone, but I'm going to be walking to you. I'm going to be showing you how exactly it works. Today, we are on the laptop, so we are also going to be diving into some of the statistics and some of the features that we have inside the Akash X system, which is the most important product that I'm actually working with, and I'm partnering up with people to actually grow them, because it has really been able to be one of the tool that has really been able to contribute a lot into my success and my team's success. So what is Akash X? First class education platform launched in 2020, best-selling brand for my daily choice, growing month over month. It's a debt privately owned, financially stable, forward-thinking company, not third party and services. Everything is in-house. So we want to walk you through the phases in Akash. The phase one is the approve trade. So this is what you're calling the tap to trade. Tap to trade is actually an innovative technology whereby if you're a beginner, you can be able to see how exactly you're actually participating into the marketplace, and you'll be able to have an opportunity to see exactly how tap to trade is working. So the first step is you connect it to your broker. After you've been able to connect it to your broker, the second step is you're able to receive trade alerts. After receiving the trade alerts, the third step is you actually approve the trade alerts. And after you've approved the trade alerts, the trades start running and you actually secure your profit. So it's a very, very innovative technological tool that will really be able to be of help to beginners who do not know actually to participate into the financial markets. Not only beginners, like for example, for me as an expert trader, sometimes I'm out and about and I don't have like time to sit down and analyze the market. When I receive a tap to trade idea, I just tap, approve it, and it actually runs. I want to play a short video that I've been able to record showing you exactly how tap to trade is working. Take a look at how it works.
So guys, I want to show you exactly how tap to trade works, right? So this is my app. This is the Akash app, right? You just come, get access to the app, and when I get access to the app, we have already received a trade alert, right? That's my trading account. So I just come and click tap to trade. Here we are remaining 57 seconds. I will click approve. When I click approve, it will calculate for me the lot size. Take a look at here. It has calculated for me the risk. If I want to increase the risk, I just change here. But right now, I'll be going with 0.25%. So I will click approve trade. So when I click approve trade, it will take the trade automatically. The trade has now been taken. So I'll go back into my trade locker. All right. So on my trade locker, I want to show you that that's a gold trade that has actually been executed. Right. You can be able to see the trade has been executed. If we take a look at the trade, we'll be able to see here is where the entry is. You can be able to see here is where the take profit is. You can be able to see we have also the stop loss there. That is how simple and that is how easy the tap to trade actually works. If you want to learn more, comment.
Right, so that is the tap to trade. And the good thing about Akash, and the reason why I really love it, is because of one thing. After you having tap to trade, you're given a free $10,000 trading account that you can start trading with. So remember, I told you at the beginning we have prop firms. So how does this work? With prop firms, you need to pass your challenge. You need to prove that you actually know how to trade. For the people who do not know how prop firms work, so if they give you the $10,000 account, you can ideally use the trade ideas and signals that Akashex is providing you, which I'm going to be sharing with you here in a few, or you can use and connect it to tap to trade. You pass your phase one, first you get funded, and now you'll be having your $10,000 trading account. The second phase is the learn how to trade, which is you have a beginner, advanced, expert series, whereby I actually want to go and show you exactly how it looks like on the site. I want to show you how it looks like on the site. So um, let me just show you exactly. I want us to go, I want to log in into the website so that you can be able to see how exactly it works. Just give me a minute. So I want to jump into the Akash website. So this is how it looks like. For the Akash website, it will be able to have, this is if you're signing up or you want to join Akash X, this is how the website looks like. So I'm going to going into logging into the portal. So how does the portal look like? So with the portal, this is where you can be able to come, and we have different sections. So the first section is if you want to learn a strategy, if you want to be connected to a mentor, you can be able to come here on the academy section, and you can be able to click all courses. When you click all courses, you can be able to see we have total of 100 courses, which we have education series, master trading, we have crypto, and then we have Forex. So for example, if we click on all courses here, for example, you can be able to see there's a section for beginner traders, there's a section for advanced traders, and there's a section for expert traders. So for example, if we click on the beginners section, you can be able to see, you can be able to start by understanding what Forex is, and all you need to do is come and click start now. If you click start now, we have educators that you have been able to partner up with them globally that educate you and show you exactly what are charts, what are pips, how to trade, how to get started. And this is an all-inclusive platform. That is why I am super excited about this Akash platform. The second place is where you trade. And how does the tap to trade look like? For example, on the website, we have the tap to trade whereby you come here, and when the tap to trade, what happens is, for example, you can be able to see there's a section here. So there's a buy, there's a sell, there's an entry point that you're given, there's a stop loss, there's a take profit. So what happens is when a trade is shared by an educator or a trade is shared by a signal provider, all you just need to do is come and click approve here. So when you come and click approve here, for example, if you're trading gold, you'll be able to see your trade will be taken here automatically. And guys, guess what? This is a crazy feature that is actually changing this space. So what you're doing at Tradeex is you're just making sure that you are equipping you with tools that will be able to guide you and help you become pro traders. So guess what? You're being given a $10,000 account. You're being given a feature like this, which is the tap to trade feature. And then we also have the trade alerts, which are the trading signals. Okay. Sometimes we usually have you can be able to see here, for example, it's telling me we strongly recommend following only one educator to ensure consistency in your trading approach. However, you may choose to follow multiple educators simultaneously. I click agree and continue. So for me here, there is one educator that I usually like following. For example, I will show you how I do this. For example, this is Joseph Kawanja, right? Joseph Kawanja, what will happen is if I click, you'll be able to see all his trade ideas that he usually sends. So he usually sends NAS and gold trade ideas. So if I don't feel like trading, if I don't feel like analyzing the market that day and I feel tired or something like that, all I just need to do is come and take his trade ideas here. For example, he has been able to give you the entry point, the stop loss, the take profit 1, the take profit 2. You can be able to see the trades that he has been able to win, and you can be able to see the total trades that he has been able to lose. Right, so that's the trade idea section. I've been able to show you the academy, I've been able to show you the tap to trade, I've been able to show you the trade signals. All right, the other part that we have, which is the most important part, guys, is the copy trading platform. Okay, so on copy trading, we have what you call Zeus, which is a crypto copy trading platform, which I'm going to be sharing with you. The reason why we are super excited about Zeus is because people are actually making real money and real figures from actually just copy trading without doing anything. I want to tell you something. If you know how crypto works, one trade idea for crypto will give you 10 times more than Forex very easily. The other thing is we have tools, and the BMM is actually working very well with these tools. For example, here, if you have the BMM version 1, if you come here on the scanner known as the breakout momentum scanner, what the Akash X scanner will tell you is it will scan the market for you. And on the right side here, what it will be doing is it will be telling you buy, sell, buy, sell. So for example, if you're a scalper right now, and this is where we combine the two scanners, right? So for example, let me show you exactly what I do. I'll be able to come and select three. Let's select crypto, because right now crypto is actually running, crypto, commodities, indices, and Forex, and I'll be able to click apply. So if I'm scalping, you can be able to see right now, it is telling me LTC stroke euro. Right now, cryptos are the ones that are active. We are going to do what? We are going to buy on the 5 minutes time frame. Let's go and take a look at SOL USD, SOL USD. I don't trade crypto a lot, but let's just take a look at it. SOL USD, and see if we'll be able to get something that's on Coinbase. This is for crypto traders. So I'm telling you guys, if you're combining these two things, oh my goodness. So this is the BMM scanner. So with the BMM scanner, beat the market makers, which at the end of this call, I'm going to be giving you every single person who is here access to it for absolutely free. This is how you actually trade like a pro. So on this scanner here, I've been able to come. It has told me what? SOL USD on the 5 minutes time frame. What do I need to do? I just need to go and buy. So if I come here, I go to the 5 minutes time frame. What am I seeing? What am I seeing? I am seeing a buy, right? So it is telling me where my stop loss is, where my entry is, where my take profit 1 is, where my take profit 2 is, and where my take profit 3 is. So all I'll wait for is here I can even put a buy stop. Okay, here's where the buy is. Here I can put even a buy stop, and I will be able to look at the buys that you are looking at. So if it breaks here, we'll be getting into the buys and we'll be expecting this to be bullish. I totally agree with this, because on the 5 minutes here, it is bullish, 15 minutes, it is bullish, 1 hour, it is bullish. And that is exactly how we have been able to combine, how you can be able to use Akash X and the BMM. So if I come and take a look at here, for example, this was 14 minutes ago. We were given a buy for BTC USD. 14 minutes ago, we were given a buy for BTC USD. So for those guys who are trading, I already saw guys in the group sending this. So let's take a look at BTC USD, Bitcoin USD. I think Coinbase is the good one. And fantastic. Here we go. Here we go, my friends. This is not, what is it? 15 minutes time frame. This is not like, this is not like, you can be able to see it in front of your eyes. Okay, take profit 1 has been able to be hit, take profit 2 has been able to be hit, take profit 3 has been able to be hit. So if you have these two trading platforms, these two trading tools, listen, you're being equipped to do what? Trade manually. If you want to trade manually, as you're trading manually, you have your copy trading connected at the back end. You have Zeus working for you. Oh my goodness. And when you have Zeus working for you, you are generating what is called passive income. This is BTC USD. Okay. All right. So that is how I've been able to combine these two things. Okay. That is how I have been able to combine these two things, and they're actually working wonders. All right, so I'm going to be jumping back into my presentation. I just wanted to show you exactly how let's see, I just wanted to show you how exactly how it's working. So let me jump into doing, let me see on the charts if you've been able to get value. I can be able to see someone here saying value. Let me see if you are actually getting value. Okay, comment value if you're actually getting value on the comment section. Let me see if you guys are actually getting value. Let me see if you guys are getting value as we shift back to the presentation. Let me see if you guys are getting value. Can be able to see, okay, top notch. Can be able to see who is this. Dixon is saying, whoa, Can be able to see top notch, can be able to see Brenda saying value. You're getting value. I'm super excited. Dixon is saying I'm getting value. I'm super excited that you guys are getting value. All right, someone is saying BMM. Number one beast. Yeah, for sure. BMM is the number one beast. Okay. Right. So we will have to continue with the presentation. So let's do this, guys. If you're getting value, I'm super pumped up and super excited. Okay, so I've been able to show you different things in Akash. Okay, I've been able to show you the education section. Now we also have live trading sessions. Okay, so live trading session is where you can go and jump in on a live trading session with someone whatever time you feel like. All you just need to do is connect into your Akash X platform. And what you just need to do is do what? You just need to select any time that you want, and you can go and live trade with me. Like for me, with you guys, will be doing a US30 live trading session like almost every single day. And that is exactly what we have. So I've been able also to show you the trade alerts. Phase 3, becoming independent trader. I've been able to show you the scanners. I've also been able to show you how you can integrate it with the BMM, and the BMM version 2 is coming, and the BMM version 3 will be taking the trades automatically. My friends, you're just experiencing BMM version 1 right now, and you're making a lot of noise of how it's working. You haven't experienced, I told you on the event, I want you, as you're using BMM version 1, I want you to be asking yourself, how is BMM version 2? And how will be BMM version 3? Because when we get to BMM version 3, it will be all about automation, taking trades automatically, my friends. And this will be crazy. So I want to show you exactly why I truly believe in Zeus and why Zeus is actually changing the space. So with Zeus, I've been following a mentor, a trader who is in the crypto space. So with this guy that I've been following, who has been in the crypto space, I've been seeing him having a very high win rate. And to be honest, guys, with you, there's no need to lie. I don't know anything about crypto. I've never traded crypto. But one thing I can tell you is I am going to be making a lot of money from crypto. And why is this? I want you to take a look at when Bitcoin was actually starting. How many billionaires were able to be created on Bitcoin when it's starting? After every 4 years, we usually have a crypto bull run. I want you to comment there and say crypto bull run. After every 4 years, we usually have a crypto bull run. The first crypto bull run, right now you've been able to see what Bitcoin is doing. The first crypto bull run was when Bitcoin was jumping from $100, $500, $1,000, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. During that time, we can be able to say we missed that trend. But right now, it's not the time to miss the next crypto trend, and you can be able to leverage on those trends actually using AI. And that's why I'm super confident about Zeus. And I want to show you why I'm super confident that you are going to be making money from this copy trading for Zeus, right? Let me just play this video for a minute.
Josh, okay, so I'm going to show you guys a live example, okay? In the past 2 months, we had a list that we were holding, September list, okay? Now, in this list, I gave a bunch of assets that I wanted my traders to buy and hold. That's all they had to do. Listen to me. Josh, our CEO, decided to put $50,000, okay? Now, in 10 days, in 13 days, in September 19, he messaged me saying, I'm a genius. I'm like, what's going on? And it's up to $60,000. I'm like, brother, let me tell you something. This is not gains. We haven't seen anything yet. Now, fast forward to today, November 23rd, right? Today, I asked him about his portfolio, and he's up to $212,000. Okay.
I bring them money, they change up the topic.
Right, my friends. So that's the reason I'm telling you that we are actually going to be making crazy amount of figures using this Zeus platform and using Akash, using the copy trading. So I want you to think about this. We're having an offer that you're launching. I was able to tell you that for the Akash is not for everyone. For the BMM version 1, I'm going to give you out for free, absolutely free, just for a month, for you to test and experience. Right? Make sure you make as much money from it during this month, because when I pull it out, only people I'm working with on Akash X will be able to get access to it. So for that first month, make as much money as you can with it. Misuse it the way you want, right? Because it's going to be getting outside the market, because I truly understand the value investment that I've really been able to put there. So if you want to actually become an Akash member, it's $149. This is on a monthly basis. And the reason you're paying $149 on the monthly basis, remember, you have the Zeus copy trading, all right? You have the tap to trade. You're given the $10,000 trading account. You're given me as your personal mentor, who will be now in my inner circle, the BMM Mastermind Club. Man, can you just listen to how those words are sweet? BMM Mastermind Club, all right? And this is not for everyone. I actually qualify people who I want to join, okay? Our goal will be first to help you make $1,000 a month on our first run that we'll be making. The second run will be scaling from $1,000 to $5,000 a month. And then the third run that we'll be running with you will be getting you to $10,000 a month. I've been able to crack the 5,000. I actually go to 3,000, and I'm now chasing the 5,000 to 10,000. This is what I'm saying. This is not for everyone. Not everyone is really super pumped up and excited about making $1,000 a month. I know this is just for only serious investors, people who really understand and know that they truly have decided and they want to go all in this trading journey. All right. So if you're that person on the group, on the Telegram group, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be dropping a form. Okay. It's an application form. In that application form, based on the questions that I'll ask you there and the answers that you'll give, I will be able to receive them, and I'll be able to qualify you and see if you're fit, if you're fit to actually work with you on this project, right? There's some people who come and tell me, hey, I have the $149 I want to pay, and I'll be like, you know what? This is not for you. Okay, you can first use the free resources that I'm giving out. Now, when you upgrade and you become a serious investor and trader who really wants to make good money, we can be able to work with you. Because at the end of the day, man, if you want to make $1,000, if you want to make $10,000 a month, you understand that, you know what? There's some fees that you need to pay. All I want to do is know that you are all in and committed in actually taking your trading to the next level. And I can tell you for sure, there's no way we are not clocking the $10,000 a month. So this is not for everyone. And this makes me come to the end of the Akash presentation. And after coming to the end of the Akash presentation, I'm going now to be sharing with you how you can be able to get access to the BMM Scanner. Let me see some hearts now. Let me see some 777 if you're excited on how to get the BMM Scanner, because that's where I'm going to get in, right? That's where I'm going to get in right now, the BMM Scanner. So there's also an affiliate program that you're launching with all these tools that I'm providing. 777 guys, if you're excited for me to show you how to use the BMM Scanner and also how you can be able to install it absolutely for free. You can be able to see, guys, I've pumped up David 7, Brenda 777, all right, Vincent 77, Frank 777. Amazing. So let's do this, guys. We have an affiliate program. These products that I'm launching are hot cake products. Every Forex trader will actually want to use the BMM Scanner. Every Forex trader will want to be on Akash X. So we have come up with a program whereby, guess what? If you invite 3 traders who want to get access to this platform, your monthly fees are waived absolutely. So you'll not be paying monthly fees. You'll be able to just pay $149 alone, and you'll have free access to BMM version 1, BMM version 2, BMM version 3, and the crypto trading. Everything will be absolutely free. That's amazing. So with that said, let me jump straight into how you can be able to get access. I can be able to see a lot of 777, can be able to see a lot of fire coming in, a lot of 777, 777. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So I'll have to share my screen. Let me just give me a minute. I just share my screen. All right, guys. Yeah, my screen is visible now. So the first thing I want you to do, guys, is I want you to register and have a Windsor trading account. This is in partnership of Windsor, and let me see how best we can be able to do this very quickly. I want to have a QR code so that I can guide you how to can be able to install it. There's a QR code that I want you to scan. I just want to make sure that everybody has this AI. Everybody has this AI. So the first thing is you need to have a Windsor trading account. Windsor are actually the ones that are facilitating this offer. Let me just see the QR code. Let me see the QR code so that you can be able to scan it. Just give me a minute. I want you to scan this QR code because I want you to join a group and I want you to have a Windsor trading account, because in that group, this is where I am dropping the link. All right, this is where I am dropping the link. Okay, so let's open it. Hope you can be able to see my screen. And I want you to scan this QR code and join the group. So the first QR code, this is what you are using to register your Windsor broker account. Okay, so remember, if you don't have a Windsor broker account, I'm going to be pulling you out of the AI. Definitely, I'm not working with people who are not interested in supporting the tools and systems that you're having. Okay, I want you to first scan that. Make sure that you've registered your broker account. Make sure you first have a Windsor trading account. And then after you've had a Windsor trading account, the second thing I want you to do is I want you to scan this QR code and join this group. Because when you scan this QR code and join this group, this is the BMM version 1 scanner group, whereby I am dropping the link for you to install it. Okay, just real quick. Let me know if you can be able to scan it and join the group. Okay, I can be able to see guys joining the group. Okay, make sure you scan this QR code and join the group. All right, because I am going to be dropping the AI right now. Can be able to see guys are joining the group. Just make sure you scan this QR code and join the group, the BMM version 1 scanner group. Good. I can be able to see several guys have joined the group. So if you have joined the group, and those who will be watching this on a replay, they will just still be able to see this. It's just that, okay, anyway, when they join the group, I'll just be able to update it. So if you've been able to join the group, what I want you to do now is I want to drop the link of the BMM scanner. I keep the promise, man. I'm a person of my words. Okay, so I've been able to the BMM scanner link there. I want you to confirm if you're in the group. You're supposed to have it right now. So if you are joining later, just take a look at the pinned message. You'll be able to see several people are actually still joining. So I've been able to drop the link, and I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to install it. Okay, I've been able to share the link on the group. Where is the group? Where is the group? The BMM. I've been able to share with you. Right, so that's the link. That's the link. So this is the link. So if you click on it, it will be able to bring you to this page, right? It will be able to bring you on this page. So when it brings you on this page, this is what I want you to do. Okay, this is what I want you to do. I want you to go and click use chart. I want you to go and click use chart. If you're using it on your laptop, it will be better. Okay, if you're using it on your laptop, it will be better. So when you click use chart, what will happen is it will load. Okay, it will load on your trading view. It will load on your trading view. If you click recent chart, it will load on your trading view. Okay, can be able to see still people are joining. Let me know. I want to make sure if one or two people have been able to just confirm in the comments that you've been able to load it on your trading view. I want to see, just confirm. Anyone, just one person, confirm in the comments that if you've been able to load. Just confirm if you've been able to load it on your trading view. Use the laptop. Use your laptop. Use the laptop. Use your laptop. Your laptop is better. Your laptop is better. Your laptop is better. Okay, I can be able to see someone here said confirmed. Okay, Addison is said confirmed. Addison, it's loaded on your trading view, right? You can be able to see the entry, stop loss, and take profits, everything. I can be able to see Alu Forex also is saying loaded. Great, amazing. So make sure the first thing you've joined the WhatsApp group. Make sure you've joined the WhatsApp group. After you've joined the WhatsApp group, I am sharing I repeat the uploading process. Okay, so first thing is join the WhatsApp group. The QR code for joining the WhatsApp group is this. Okay, the QR code for joining the WhatsApp group is this. After you've joined the WhatsApp group, what you want to do is actually the WhatsApp group is actually open, right? After doing that, what you want to do is the next thing you want to do is on the WhatsApp group is look at the pinned message, and I've been able to drop the link to get access to the AI. All right. So when you get access to the AI, what do you want to do? Okay, for example, let me go on a new trading view that I have. Let me go on an account that maybe don't have trading view. I think it's this one. Okay, so if I am on an account that I don't have trading view, I copy it on my browser. When I copy the link on my browser, this is where it will be able to open. Okay, it will be able to show you the AI here, bearish, blah, blah, blah. And then now you'll come here and make sure that you can be able to see here, use on chart. Right? You can be able to see here, use on chart. So here, use on chart, I want you to click use on chart. So when you click use on chart, it will actually load. You can be able to see it has loaded. It has loaded on my trading view. Okay, it has loaded on my trading view. So this is how it should look like. So I'm going to give you some tips, a little bit tips of using the version 1. So the problem with version 1 is you will have to be scanning for the trade ideas on your own. All right, that's the problem. So version 2 has different confirmations. Version 2 will be sending you a notification. All right, instead of you always scanning, going through the charts, version 2 will be sending you trade ideas and trade alerts. Right? So if it sends you trade alerts, for example, if this is now 100 buy, it will send you a notification on email, and maybe I can be able to jump on my email just to show you how the notifications look like, so that you can be able to see the power of this tool. So for example, if you take a look at Trading View, some updates that you have been getting from Trading View, wow, a lot of people are really downloading the tool. So if you take a look at, I just want to show you how the alerts will be looking like. I want to show you how the alerts. Okay, for example, here. So this was an alert that was sent. Was it a buy or a sell? TP1. This was a TP1 trade idea. Here. Okay, so the version 2, this is what will be happening. It will be giving you an alert here. Okay, for example, this is US30. I trade US30 a lot. So with US30, it will be telling you US30 alert was triggered by, right? So now what you just need to do is you just need to go to your charts, yeah, and you just need to take a look at US30 buy. All right, you just need to go and take a look at US30 buy. So the buy alert was triggered for version 2. This is version, the one that you have is version 1, which is still okay. So version 2, let me show you version 2, which was the buy. Where is this version 2? Where is this version 2? Here we go. So on version 2, we can be able to do what? Can be able to see here version 2 gave a what? A sell. But version 1 gave a sell. But version 2 with the signals and trade ideas was able to give a buy. So with version 2, it is more accurate, right? It is more precise. It is more powerful than version 2, and the features that you're having on version 2 are super amazing, because version 2 is what we'll be using, it's what will upgrade to version 3 so that it can be automatically taking the trades. All right, so with version 2 it will be more of scalping, but version 1 you can still use it on scalping, but I do not advise on to use it on scalping. I'll be able to share with you on version 1 what you'll be doing. So on version 1, the markets will be opening tomorrow. For example, this is the first trade idea that I'll be looking at with version 1. You have this part here whereby it's telling you bullish, for example. So what will be happening here with this bullish, if you're taking a trade, you want to make sure that 15 minutes is bullish, 1 hour is bullish, and 4 hours is bullish. So that is valid. So if that is valid, I can be able to come and see this buy trade idea that has been given here, the US30 trade idea, it is valid, right? So those are the only things that I need to do. And for me, sometimes just if you're a beginner also, this will be very good to train yourself to trade on your own. So if I switch it off and do my own analysis, for example, will I come to an agreement with the AI? So for example, I'll come to the 4 hours time frame. If I come to the 4 hours time frame, what are some of the things that I'm seeing? I can be able to see here, US30 is actually on a bullish roll here, right? US30, it's actually buying. It's creating new higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, so I can maybe expect US30 here to do what? To create a higher high, something like that, to continue with the buys, right? I'm showing you what I usually do just to confirm and test if I want you to confirm and test if this AI is actually working. So if you're looking at buys, what are some of the next things that I'm looking at? I'm looking at major zones that have been broken and tested. For this is my zone 1, very easy to identify. Can be able to see price came here, price has reacted from this zone. I can be able to see my second zone will actually be this area here, which I can be able to see price has been able to tap it, like price tapped it, drop, tapped it, drop, We can call this a tap also here, drop, and I can be able to see that price has actually been able to break it. So maybe if I go to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame is where I will be able to see it better. So on the 1 hour time frame, I can be able to see that price has actually been able to come, rejected this area, and price has actually been able to push up, right? Price has been able to push up. So for me, ideally looking at US30, I can only see a retracement to this zone to continue buying, right? To continue buying to these areas. So that's the only thing that we'll be looking for to US30. So on the 1 hour time frame, if I switch my version 1, it makes a lot of sense, my people. Even when it's putting the stop loss, it makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense with this buy, right? Very easy, very simple. There's no complications here. You can be able to see the sales that were happening last week, Friday, before market actually closes. You can be able to see that price was able to drop. This is gold. Who caught this gold trade idea? Who caught this gold trade idea? So what I want to make sure is, remember, 5 major time frames here, you want to see that they have changed to bearish. If they start shifting to the other time frame, just know that this is not a good trade idea. Mostly use the 1 hour time frame. Mostly use the 1 hour time frame, and also just try your best just to do your own technical analysis to be able to see what you're having. Okay, the next trade idea, USDJPY, you can be able to see that this was a buy. And guys, I'm telling you something, there's a feature on the version 2 whereby you can be backtesting and seeing how these trade ideas performed. You can be looking at how they performed, because I'm putting the AI to be giving you when these trade ideas played out. Okay, you can be looking at them, how they performed. Just make sure that, like, for example, this will be a good idea. Just as I told you here, make sure that everything is bullish. Can be able to see here it's bullish, and you can be able to see if it hits take profit 1. And guess what? It has hit take profit 1. Always trade also during sessions. We have 2 sessions that we look at trading. We have the New York session and we have the London session. So those 2 sessions are the ones that you want to take a look at your trade idea. And guess what? If the AI gives you a signal that is opposite maybe the buy signal, guys, you can as well close your trade, because it is detecting that price is actually shifting. Okay, like you see that. Don't still stick around to the buy. It has already hit take profit 1. You can still continue with the sales and go low. For those people who like trading gold, okay, for those 2 people who like trading gold, if you want to scalp, let me give you a tip here. If you want to scalp, just make sure when you are scalping, you know the direction that gold is moving. For example, if you want to scalp with the 5 minutes time frame, definitely if you go on the 5 minutes time frame, you'll be having a lot of signals that are shifting and a lot of signals that are playing around. You can be able to see, like, for example, that was one. You want to know where you are entering the trade. Another mistake that I've been able to see people doing is this mistake. You see, like, this was a signal that was given. So don't just jump straight into this trade idea. Okay, wait for price to break above this area, the entry, because it will give you expecting price to come and break it to continue buying. So don't see a buy idea has been given and you just jump straight in. No. All right, that will help you minimize your stop losses. For example, do you know this is not a stop loss because price is not broken? You see, the AI is projecting what price might do. All right, so that will not be a stop loss because price is not broken. Let's take a look at another trade idea. Okay, you see this trade idea, you see the AI price is here, then it will tell you buy from this area. When it gives you the buy signal, don't just jump into the buy. No, wait for it now to come. It's expecting price to come and activate your entry. when it activates your entry, that is when you're supposed to get in. Like you see, this one also, it has not activated. So this will have not been a trade to take. All right. So let's wait for another trade idea. If it will share another trade idea. So you can be able to see the sell. So that sell has already been, price has already like smashed it very quickly. So you can be able to see now this is a sell that was given. Okay, so if you take a look at this sell where it was given now, you can be able to see the entry. Now price has been able to come to the entry and you can be able to get in with that. So let's take a look at another one that looks a little bit clearer. This is because I know a lot of people will not be patient. A lot of people will just want to scalp. So it is very important for you to understand the basics and how you're trading with it. So for example, you can be able to see this sell where it was given. So if it gives you a sell, this is where it is giving you the sell from, right? It is giving you the sell. Okay, so when price now breaks this zone, this is where you enter. All right, but if you want to really get great results, use the 1 hour time frame. Use the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame, you'll not have stress at all. You'll be trading with peace and you'll be trading with price action. You'll be trading with price action. I'm just giving a heads up for those people who want to scalp. The version 2 is the one that you can be using to scalp, and I'll be sharing with you how you can be doing that, right? I'll be sharing with you how you can be doing that. Okay, so happy trading, guys. Happy trading, guys. Happy trading, happy trading, happy trading. I'm looking to hear your feedback. Try and trade these pairs. These pairs will be super good. I've been able to identify, like for example, right now, some of the trades. And if you're on the WhatsApp group, we'll be doing live trading sessions. Okay, we'll be doing live trading sessions to just be able to make sure that we are actually cracking this thing together. We are cracking this thing together. For example, this is a trade. This is a trade, card JPY. Card JPY. This is a trade that you can go and look at, but this trade now you can be able to see it is reversing. It is reversing. Okay, so you see, like a trade like this, given you the sell, and then price has been able to break, right? Price has been able to break. Price has been able to break. Guys, you're gonna love this thing. I know that you're going to love that thing. Markets already, market will be opening the next few. Just make sure that you don't overtrade, don't get overexcited, and use it strategically. Just use it strategically. Use it strategically, right? Use it strategically. It's going to be of great value. All right, so this is what I'm going to do, guys. This is what I'm going to be offering you guys. I know for the people who are on the event, I'm going to create the version 2 group right now. So this is an offer. I don't know how many people have deposited on their Windsor trading account yet, but this is what I want you to do, guys. I'm dropping the link to register on also Windsor on the group. So if you register, deposit a minimum of $50 and above. We are going to be adding you on a different trading group whereby we'll be doing live trading sessions. After doing live trading sessions, I'll be giving you a snip. We'll be developing the version 2 with you. I'll be giving you access to version 2 that you can actually use to scalp, right? So this will not be open for a lot of people. Windsor have been able to tell me give it access to only 100 guys for this week. All right, only a cap of 50 to 100. I think on the event we were able to have 50 people who locked their spots, so we are remaining only with 50 people only. So if you want to get a test of the version 2, check the link on the group I'll be dropping, and we can be able to do what? We can be able to add you on the group. So make sure you've registered. After registering on Windsor, deposit $50, $100, and you'll be able to get access to the version 2. Right, so that was an amazing session. I'll be able to see you on the WhatsApp group. We'll be able to communicate tomorrow. Let's meet in the WhatsApp group. Have a good time. That was a little bit long. That call has extended. Cheers. Be blessed.